Welcome. In front of me I have NOKIA 2.4 and the AirPods, and I'm going to show you how we can connect this to the device. At the first, let's open the notification bar. Then click and hold the Bluetooth icon to enter the Bluetooth settings. Open the charging case of your AirPods and then click and hold this back button. Keep holding. When this indicator starts blinking on the white, it means that they are in the pairing mode, so we can release that key. Next, tap on your smartphone pair new device. When AirPods pop on the list, we can easily tap on them to connect, accept pair, and as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.